If you've been following along, you saw the last video where we created this cute little guy in Silhouette Studio with the trace feature and the sketch panel. Today we are going to make a 3D shadow box frame for him out of cardstock. It's amazing. It does not even look like cardstock when I'm finished with it. Hi, I'm Brenda Lambert. I'm a TJC licensed instructor for Silhouette. You found your way to Silhouette Success, and I hope that you plan on joining our little community. Now, I am ready to have some fun, so let's do this. For this project, I'm using 3 pieces of cardstock, some craft paint from the Dollar Tree, and the embellishments all came from the Dollar Tree as well. Of course, I have my trusty little glue gun right beside me here. I didn't do anything fancy in Silhouette Studio. I just imported the design from Silhouette Studio Design Store, and I will link that below. Then I ran it through the Cameo 4. The next thing you're going to want to do is fold all of the tabs along the perforated lines that were made by your Silhouette cutting machine. I'm not very fond of the perforations, but it does get the job done, and they are not noticeable at all in this project. I did choose to use extra heavy cardstock with this so that it was nice and sturdy and it will last at least a couple of years. Now to get it all put together, I am using hot glue because I feel that it gives it a little bit of extra strength. The corners of the side pieces just fit right up into the angle of the top and bottom piece. And it all comes together and looks like a real shadow box with the corners mitered. And I am not an excellent painter, but this is an easy faux finish. I'm just taking the black paint and dry brushing it in different thicknesses and strokes, and then kind of blending it all in to give it a very antique look. I'm paying extra attention to the corners, making sure those are pretty well blackened. I swear this does not even look like cardstock. It looks like a very, very old wooden frame. Now let's add the embellishments. I have some little bones. Just going to get them situated and get them glued into place. Next is this little skull. We're going to set him right in the corner. So cute. I'm just running this tape runner right along the edge of the sketch that we did in the last video, getting it centered and pressed down. That looks amazing, but we are not done yet. I am going to add a little bit of spider web up in this corner. And of course, a friendly little spider. This little guy is definitely going to be on display all spooky season long. I love him. If you did not catch the sketch panel video that I just put out with this sketch of a skeleton, you're going to want to go back and watch it. I'll list it right here. Now go create something amazing, and I will see you in the next video.